At Cirque du Soleil, the performance is the tip of the iceberg. It's the coming together of all those different people working together on the concept. My craft, it's about creating images that convey this idea of floating and dancing and bring this to life. I'm Arthur and I'm a straps artist. I think the craft of being an aerialist starts in the training room, just finding an apparatus that you connect with. I think it's really important to be able to trust your apparatus because it's really like your lifeline when you're doing aerials. If you don't trust that, then you can't go like so many feet in the air. It's like a mix of having this poetic process and also the very athletic work that goes into being an aerialist. It takes a lot of flexibility and requires a lot of strength coupled with a good range of movement because you go through movements like upside down and very like unusual placements of your body. I think sometimes of octopuses, I heard they have their brain throughout their whole body, and sometimes I feel like like that also. When I was really young, I was accompanying my friend who was going to a dance class. I was just here to watch, and then the teacher was like, "No, come on, like, do the class with us." I loved it so much. I remember some set design props of like tissues coming down from the ceiling. I remember that urge of wanting to like dance and like just keep like going to the next level, which was like this space like higher above the ground. And even though I had no training, I was so passionate that they took me, and yeah, I started doing aerials and still linked the dance aspects of it, but took it in the air. What I love about straps is how it can take me from the ground to a different space and how I can play with it as a partner. I feel like this moment of being on stage and being present with the audience, I'm not thinking about the past or the future. I can be only in the present because I'm in this exchange of energy with the audience. It's like this paradox of letting go, but also being very in control.
Lexus has a few Japanese philosophies they connect to the art of craft.
TAZUNA, a Japanese term literally meaning reins of a horse, where control and harmonious connection between a performer and their apparatus is intuitive and immediate. Yeah, I like the idea of the reins of a horse, because straps is literally that, but bringing me in the air. I think intuition plays a big part because it's live performance, so there's always things that go slightly differently every time. A great performer is someone that can kind of roll with it. It's like almost a reflex or a muscle memory built by all those years of knowing your apparatus, knowing how the swings and the spin works and moves, and becoming so sensitive to that that it becomes instinct to play with that and to adapt to the many different things that can happen in a performance. Performance, it's not like a painting where it's like when it's done, it's there and it just lives here. It needs to be appreciated in the moment. So I guess my job is to live that moment with the audience and to share that.